Ever wondered how much you can actually spend on your YouTrip card? Is there a secret cap that the bank doesn't want you to know about? Let's dive deep into the world of YouTrip limits. We're often bombarded with questions about YouTrip limits. Is it safe to use for big purchases? Can I withdraw a ton of cash? Let's clear the air. First off, YouTrip doesn't operate like a traditional bank card. It's more like a prepaid card. This means you load money onto it before spending. So, the maximum you can spend is directly linked to the amount you've topped up. But wait, there's more. Your bank might have a cap on how much you can transfer to your YouTrip card at once. This is something you'll need to check with your bank. It's like filling up a bucket. YouTrip is the bucket, and your bank's transfer limits determine how quickly you can fill it. Now, let's talk about daily and monthly spending limits. YouTrip doesn't impose strict daily or monthly caps. However, your bank might. They could have rules about how much you can spend on your card in a day or a month. So, while YouTrip is chill about it, your bank might be the party pooper. What about ATM withdrawals? You can withdraw cash overseas with YouTrip, but there are limits. The daily withdrawal limit is usually around SGD $300. But remember, this is just a general guideline. Some ATMs might have lower limits, and there might be fees involved. Online shopping? Absolutely. You can use YouTrip for your online sprees. However, be cautious. Some merchants might have their own spending limits, and there's always the risk of fraud. So, keep an eye on your transactions. A big purchase? Like, really big? A car, perhaps? Well, YouTrip might not be your best bet. For such large transactions, it's usually safer and more convenient to use a traditional credit card. So, to sum it up, the maximum you can spend on YouTrip largely depends on how much you've loaded onto it and your bank's transfer limits. While there's no strict spending cap from YouTrip, your bank might have something to say about it. And remember, always be aware of ATM withdrawal limits and potential merchant restrictions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.